All right, guys, we're in Waterloo, Illinois, doing a repeat client, making it happen on this fine Monday, doing some tile and grout cleaning. We're doing this service right here. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, with this tile and grout, you can see we already did this area. We've now done this area. So you can just tell that difference, making them clean, hygienic. That's the AOA. I told the client if these floors could smile, they would. Look at that, guys. What a difference. Remember, your grout is porous, your tile is porous. And if you don't get it suspended, it will attract and absorb dirt and debris like a sponge. It's always a good idea to get it professionally cleaned and extracted so you can enjoy it for many years to come. For more information, give us a like and a follow, AOClean.com. All right, guys, I'm going to finish up. This floor looks great. All right, guys, just got done finishing this tile and grout cleaning. As you can see, this floor looks amazing. It's hygienic, clean. The client's going to be very excited. And that's another success for some floor cleaning and restoration. We did her carpets last year, and she had hers do her tile this year, get it back to original state. And she did have a contractor come and repair some grout. But I did tell her I can do some color seal to make it look uniform again next time I do her tile when I do her bathroom. So she's excited. Man, this turned out great. The gentleman of the house loves it as well. Everything looks great, guys. So I'm also going to give them a bottle of our signature Nutri-Cleaner. This is good for wood floors, tile, any kind of hard surface, luxury vinyl planks, what have you. And this is on the house anytime they do a tile service or a wood service. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, with my client Jim, and he's just excited of the overall results of the tile and grout cleaning, and he said his wife is going to love it. But I'm going to let Jim speak to his overall experience and how he thinks his wife is going to love it too. So Jim, without further ado, what do you think of your tile and grout?
I think it's great. Good job done, top quality, and you just made my wife very happy.
Awesome. High five. All right, guys, you heard from him. If you need the service, reach out. We got you covered. Ayo, let's go.